To get started with Afterpay Sandbox, you need to create an account on the Afterpay website. This will give you access to the Afterpay dashboard where you can manage your account and access the Sandbox environment. Once you have created your account, navigate to the Afterpay dashboard and click on the Sandbox tab. Here you will find all the information you need to set up and test your Afterpay integration. The first step is to create a Sandbox merchant account. This will give you a unique merchant ID and API keys that you will use to integrate Afterpay into your website or application. Next, you need to configure your Sandbox environment. This includes setting up your payment preferences and configuring any additional features you want to use, such as pre-authorization or order management. Now you can start testing your Afterpay integration. The Sandbox environment allows you to simulate different payment scenarios and test your integration without affecting live transactions. To test your integration, you will need to create a Sandbox customer account. This will give you a unique customer ID and token that you can use to simulate payments. You can then use the Afterpay API to simulate payments and test your integration. The API provides a range of endpoints for different payment scenarios, including authorize and capture payments. Best practice is to thoroughly test your integration in the Sandbox environment before going live. This will ensure that your integration is working correctly and that you are handling all possible payment scenarios. It is also important to note that the Sandbox environment is for testing purposes only and should not be used for live transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up and test your Afterpay Sandbox integration. This will ensure a smooth and seamless payment experience for your customers and help you to get the most out of the Afterpay platform.